Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to our channel where we unveil the groundbreaking technology that will shape our future. I'm your host, Naim, and today, we have an extraordinary adventure in store for you. Prepare to witness the most insane tech trends unboxed and revealed. In this video, we're diving deep into the realm of innovation to uncover the latest mind-blowing tech trends that are raising the bar for what's possible. From awe-inspiring gadgets to futuristic innovations, we have it all. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to embark on this incredible journey with us. As technology advances at an unprecedented rate, the world around us transforms. In this video, we'll explore breathtaking tech trends that will redefine our lives. Let's begin this fascinating unboxing journey. Unboxing Segment 1, Holographic Display System. Our first mind-blowing tech trend is the futuristic holographic display system. Brace yourself to witness holograms come to life as we unbox and experience this cutting-edge technology. Just imagine having a 3D holographic display system right in your living room. Now, you can interact with virtual objects as if they were right in front of you. This breakthrough technology truly brings us closer to the sci-fi dreams of the past. Narrator. With the holographic display system, entertainment, education, technology promises to revolutionize the way we engage with information, breaking the boundaries of traditional displays. Unboxing Segment 2, Neural Interface Headset. Next up, we have a gadget straight out of science fiction movies, the Neural Interface Headset. Get ready to explore the uncharted territories of our minds and witness the potential that lies within. The Neural Interface Headset allows us to control devices with our thoughts. Just imagine moving objects, playing games, or composing music using only the power of your mind. This extraordinary technology is inching us closer to a world where mind and machine seamlessly intertwine. The Neural Interface Headset unlocks a whole new world of possibilities. From assisting people with disabilities to enhancing our capabilities, this neural breakthrough brings us closer to a future where our minds can shape our reality. Unboxing Segment 3, Drone Delivery System. Now, we're about to witness the future of delivery services, the drone delivery system. Say goodbye to traditional delivery methods as we unbox this mind-boggling innovation that will redefine the way goods are transported. With the drone delivery system, packages will be delivered straight to your doorstep by autonomous flying drones. This advancement in logistics will revolutionize the way we receive goods, ensuring faster and more efficient delivery while reducing our ecological footprint. Drone delivery systems are poised to disrupt the traditional delivery industry, offering unprecedented speed and convenience. This groundbreaking technology paves the way for a greener and more efficient future. Unboxing Segment 4, Virtual Reality Gaming Console. Gaming enthusiasts, get ready for an immersive adventure beyond imagination with the Virtual Reality Gaming Console. Join us as we unbox this next-level gaming experience and step into the realm of virtual reality. The Virtual Reality Gaming Console offers an unparalleled gaming experience, where you become the protagonist. Dive into realistic virtual worlds, compete against friends, and experience gaming like never before. Get ready to redefine what it means to be a gamer. The Virtual Reality Gaming Console heralds the evolution of gaming. With this remarkable technology, we are no longer bound by screens, but rather transported into an immersive universe where we become part of the game itself. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of technology with our insane tech trends unboxing video. The future is here, and it's more mind-blowing than we could have ever imagined. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest innovations. Until next time, Tech Explorers.